மாணவர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Functions of statistics. Statistics as a discipline is considered indispensable in almost all spheres of human knowledge. For human knowledge, statistics is indispensable. Indispensable means absolutely necessary. Statistics is absolutely necessary for human knowledge. அண்டவெளி சராசரத்தில் மனிதகுல வளர்ச்சியில் அல்லது மனித அறிவியலில் மனித அறிவில் முக்கிய பங்கு வகிக்கிறது ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக்ஸ். indispensable mean absolutely necessary. Scientific, social and economic studies use statistics in one form or another. These disciplines makes use of observations, facts and figures, inquiries and experiments, etc., using statistics and statistical methods. Statistics studies almost all aspects in an inquiry. Statistics almost all aspects in inquiry. We have collect the data by inquiry from the public. பப்ளிக் இருந்து நம்ம இன்கொயரி பண்ணி தான் டேட்டாவை கலெக்ட் பண்ண முடியும். தட் இஸ் கொஸ்டினையர் மெத்தட். It almost its mainly aims at simplifying the complexity of information collected in an inquiry. It presents data in a simplified form to make them intelligible. It analyzes data and facilitates draw of conclusions. Now let us briefly discuss some of the important functions of statistics. Next, presents facts in simple form. We have present the data in simple form. Simple form la dhaan adha present பண்ணும். The statistics presents facts and figures in a definition forms that makes the statement logical and convincing than mere description. It condenses the whole mass of figures into a single figure. This makes the problem intelligible. Intelligible means understandable. We can understand easily problem by using the presentation in simple form. Reduce the complexity of data. We can reduce the complexity of data. Data oda complexity reduce பண்ணிக்கலாம். Statistics simplify the complexity of data. The raw data are intelligible by using different statistical measures. Some such commonly used measures are graphs, average, dispersion, skewness, kurtosis, correlation, and regression, etc. These measures helps in interpretation and drawing inferences. Therefore, statistics enables to enlarge the horizon of one's knowledge. So we have to reduce the complexity of data by using the measures like graphs, average, dispersion. We can easily represent the data in graphs, graphical form. Next, facilitates comparisons. We can compare the data by using correlation. Here, comparison between different sets of observations is an important function of statistics. The object of statistics is to enable comparison between past and present results to ascertain the reason for changes which have taken place and the effect of such changes in future. So, to determine the efficiency of any measure, comparison is necessary. Statistical devices like average, ratios, coefficient, etc. are used for the purpose of comparison. So we compare the data for future determination. எதிர்காலத்தில் நாம் சிறப்பாக செயல்பட we compare the data, past and present data. Past data, present data compare பண்ணி we can easily find out the solution for the complexity of the present and future activities. Next, testing hypothesis. This is very important one. Hypothesis. Hypothesis na முன்னெடுக்கப்பட்ட கொள்கை. Formulating and testing of hypothesis is an important function of statistics. This helps in developing new theories. So statistics examines the truth and helps in innovating new ideas. Okay, we innovate the new ideas by using the concept of hypothesis. Hypothesis means முன்னெடுக்கப்பட்ட கொள்கை, which is unproved result. We have assumptions, some results. Formulation of policies. Statistics helps in formulating plans and policies in different fields. Statistical analysis of data forms the beginning of policy formulations. Hence, the statistics is essential for planners, economists, scientists, and administrators to prepare different plans and programs. So, formulation policy, this is. The next, forecasting. Forecasting is very important. முன்னெச்சரிக்கையா இருக்கிறது. The future is uncertain. Future யாராலும் தீர்மானிக்க முடியாது. But we can determine the future idea by using statistics. Statistics யூஸ் பண்ணி futureல என்ன நடக்குங்கிறத ஓரளவு அனுமானிக்கலாம். Statistics helps in forecasting the trend and tendencies. Statistical techniques are used for predicting the future values of variable. For example, a producer forecasting his future production on the basis of the present demand conditions and his past experiences. Similarly, the planners can forecast the future population, etc., considering the present population trends. Next, drives valued inferences. Statistical methods mainly aim at driving inferences from inquiry. Statistical techniques are often used by the scholar planners and scientists to evaluate different projects. These techniques are also used to draw inferences regarding population parameters on the basis of sample information. So we can predict the future by using statistical idea by the present and past data. Present and past data used for determine the future of the human activities. Then next, this is another topic, limitation of statistics. Statistics with all wide application in every sphere of human activity has its own limitations. Statistics with all its wide application in every sphere of human activity has its own limitations. Some of them are given below. Statistics is not suitable to study of qualitative phenomena. We cannot measure the qualitative measurement like emotional and some things. Here you watch, statistics is basically a science and deals with a set of numerical data. It is applicable to the study of quantitative measurements. We can use only quantitative measurements. As a matter of fact, qualitative aspects like empowerment, leadership, honesty, poverty, intelligence, etc. cannot be expressed numerically, and statistical analysis cannot be directly applied on these qualitative phenomena. So these are qualitative phenomena. These are not quantitative. qualitative aspects like empowerment, leadership, honesty, poverty. These are emotional. This is on the emotional of the human phenomenon. So we cannot use these qualitative measures in statistics. Next. Statistics laws are not exact. These are not exact. These are only assumptions. It is well known that mathematical and physical sciences are exact. Mathematical and physical sciences are exact, but statistical data, statistical measurements is not exact. Statistical laws are not exact, and statistical laws are only approximations. These are approximation only. Statistical conclusions are not universally true. They are true only on the average. Statistics table may be misused. This can be misused by any expert. Statistics must be used only by expert. Otherwise, statistical methods are the most dangerous tool on the hands of the inexperts. Inexperts statistics ideas மாட்டேன்னுச்சுன்னா very dangerous. The use of statistical tools by inexperienced and untrained persons might lead to wrong conclusions. They may be lead to wrong conclusions. So this is very dangerous for inexpert. This is only for expert. And finally, statistics is only one of the method of studying a problems. Only one method of studying a problems. Statistical method does not provide complete solution of the problems because problems has to be studied taking the background of the country's culture, philosophy, religion, etc. into consideration. Thus, the statistical study should be supplemented by the other evidences. So, we need some evidences. These are limitation of the statistics. So, this is end of the first unit. ஸோ இந்த அளவிலே இந்த வகுப்பை நிறைவு செய்து கொண்டு அடுத்த வகுப்பிலே நாம் சந்திப்போம். வணக்கம்.